Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show you how you program a remote for a 2010 Mazda 3. We're going to start with the key out, the door shut. First thing we're going to do is open the door. We're going to lock and unlock. Then we're going to come here and we're going to ignition on 3 times and stop right there. Then we're going to open and shut the door 3 times. And then you should see the lock cycle like that. You're going to come here and you're going to hit any button twice. Once you're done, you shut your door, and now you're done. If you have more remotes, you hit the buttons on those too before you, shut the door that last time. But there you go. So now it's working.